You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. And yes, I said correctly. This is a word that comes from French, the French pronunciation, barrage. If you want to learn more pronunciations from French that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. 2 different pronunciations in English. In British English in the UK, it's more generally pronounced as barrage, alright? So it's not barrage, alright? It's French, so it's a je sound, not je. Barrage, it's generally how it's pronounced in the UK. Now, the Americans say it as barrage, alright? So with a stress on the second syllable. And in fact, in French, there's no stress on any particular syllable, neither the first or the second. Barrage. The 2 syllables have the same stress, the same weight. So the 2 pronunciations are indeed correct in English, barrage or barrage. Now, the barrage is not entirely correct. It's used sometimes, the j sound, but it's not entirely correct. So remember, barrage or barrage, and that's kind of up to you, which one you like more. Let me know if this was useful in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.